Next question. If D is parallel to AC, then the correct relation among the following. So they have given the option A, B, C and D. So what and all they have given? They have given DE is parallel to BC. DE means this and BC. The AC, sorry, AC. It is parallel to AC. Next is, if DE parallel to AB, then the correct relation among the following. So they have given this DE is parallel to AB. Then we have to find the relationship between this. Again, by the basic proportionality theorem, that is PPT, what we can write? We can write it as, if this DE parallel to BAAB, then CE divided by CB is equal to CD divided by CA is equal to ED divided by AB. So here they have given the value of CA. CA is nothing but, sorry, CB, that is A. And CA we can write, correct? CA we can write it as CD plus DA, that is A plus B is equal to, we can ignore this, just remove and remaining here, ED divided by AB. ED is they have given, that is X, and AB, that is Y. So we can write it as X is equal to Y, when which is present in denominator, which comes to LHS, it becomes multiplied. So X is equal to AY divided by A plus B. So the correct option here, it is nothing but C. Okay. Next is in the figure, if triangle PQR, this triangle PQR is similar to triangle ABC, then the pair of corresponding sides among this. So these, if these angles are similar, then by the similarity criterion we can write correct. How? So the sides, see here, the side PR is equal to, in this triangle they are similar. Here see, in this side one symbol, here nothing is present, means we can write this side A and B, correct? So A and B, correct, one pair. And next pair is, we can write it as PQ. PQ, see here, one angle, this P, and two angles are present, that is Q. Here one angle is here, this, in this triangle, that is A, and similar to this Q, here it is C. And another side, in this R, here RQ. So similar to R here, that is in this triangle ABC, that is B. And similar to Q in this triangle, that is C. So see here the correct option, what we can write, corresponding sides among this PQ and AB. Yes, PQ and AB. Can we write? No, not possible. Correct? PQ. See here, PQ. Which is what, similar criteria condition applied to this AC, correct? But here they have given AB, so not possible. And PR and AB. PR and AB, yes, it is present. So the correct option B. See here, for option C, QR and AC. For QR, it should be BC, but they have given AC. And for PR, it is AB, but they have given BC. So not possible. So correct option is B. I hope you understood this. If you have any doubts, please put on comment section. Thank you.